Eye is an organ of sight situated in the orbital cavity. The human eye is an organ that reacts to light and allows vision. It is almost spherical in shape and is about 2.5 cm in diameter. Volume of the eyeball is 7 cc. Eyeball has 3 layers. Number 1 is the outer fibrous layer. It consists of sclera and cornea. Middle or vascular layer consists of iris, ciliary body, and choroid. Inner nervous layer consists of retina. What is inside the eyeball? Inside the eyeball are aqueous humor, lens, and vitreous body. Accessory structures of the eye are eyebrows, eyelids, eyelashes, lacrimal apparatus, and extraocular muscles of the eye. Now we will briefly talk about the structure of the eye. First is the outer fibrous layer of the eye, which consists of sclera behind and cornea on the anterior surface. Sclera or white of the eye forms firm and fibrous outer layer of the eye. It maintains the shape of the eye and gives attachment to extraocular muscles. It is about 1 mm thick. It becomes thin at the site where optic nerve pierces it, as shown in the figure. It is called lamina cribrosa. Cornea forms anterior 1/6 of the eye. It is transparent and ellipsoid in shape and is anterior part of the eyeball. Cornea is the main refracting surface of the eye. The dioptic power is 43 to 45 D. The limbus is the junction of cornea and sclera, also known as corneoscleral junction. Number 2 is the middle or vascular layer of the eyeball, which consists of choroid, ciliary body, and iris. Iris is a colored, free, circular shaped diaphragm with an aperture in the center, which is called pupil. Iris divides anterior segment of the eye into anterior chamber and posterior chamber, which contains aqueous humor, which is secreted by the ciliary body. It consists of 2 groups of muscle fibers. Number 1 is circular muscle fiber, which is sphincter pupillae, and number 2 is the radiating muscle fiber, which is dilator pupillae. Now ciliary body. Ciliary body is triangular in shape with base forwards, consists of 2 main parts, pars plicata and pars plana. Anterior 1/3 part of the ciliary body is called pars plicata and posterior 2/3 is called pars plana. Choroid is a dark brown, highly vascular layer. It is situated between sclera and retina, and it extends from ora serrata up to the aperture of the optic nerve in sclera. Number 3rd layer is the inner or nervous tissue layer. Retina is composed of 10 layers of nerve cells and nerve fibers lying on a pigmented epithelial layer. Actually, it is composed of 2 layers, retina. Number 1 layer is the outer pigmented layer of the retina, and second layer is inner neuronal or nervous layer. Macula lutea is a yellow area of the retina situated in posterior part with a central depression. The central depression is also known as fovea centralis. It is the most sensitive part of the retina. Optic disc is a circular pinkish colored disc of about 1.5 mm diameter. It has only nerve fiber layers and does not excite any visual response. It is also known as blind spot. And at the end, optic nerve. It extends from the lamina cribrosa up to the optic chiasma. The total length of the optic nerve is 5 cm. It has 4 parts. Number 1 is the intraocular part, number 2 is intraorbital, number 3 is intraosseous, and the last intracranial part. Intraocular part is 1 mm in length, intraorbital is 25 mm in length, intraosseous part is 4 to 10 mm in length, and intracranial part is 10 mm in length.